Tamaya earned $88 last week at her part-time job. Lucius earned more money at his part-time job last week than Tamaya earned. Which statement could be true? Okay, so Lucius earned more money than Tamaya. So we have to keep that in our mind. So Lucius earned 6/5 of the amount of Tamaya. Well, actually, yes. And if you're like, why? Well, 6/5 is more than 1. So if you're going to earn 6/5 of that, you realize that what you're doing is multiplying 88 by a number larger than 1 and will therefore get something that is bigger than 88. So that's going to be our correct answer. So if you're thinking, does that mean all of these are smaller than 1? Yup. 7/8 is smaller than 1. Think of a pizza and you only have 7 out of 8 slices. That's not a whole pizza. 8/15, that's not a whole thing yet. 5/16, that's not a whole. All of these are smaller than 1. So multiplying 88 by things smaller than 1 is going to give you smaller than 88. So only A is correct.